Most new civil engineers begin their careers with excitement and ambition, eager to apply the theories and calculations they've mastered in school. But once they step into a real project, many quickly realize that the professional world operates by different rules. Deadlines arrive faster than expected. Designs come back with red lines and revisions. Communication becomes a daily challenge. It is at this stage that most young engineers discover that technical knowledge alone is not enough. What was the hardest part of your first civil engineering project? Share your experience in the comments. Every lesson helps someone new find their way. The transition from theory to practice is one of the biggest challenges. In university, the focus is on accuracy and solving idealized problems. In real projects, context and practicality take center stage. Understanding local standards, interpreting survey data, coordinating with other disciplines, and meeting client expectations often matter more than producing a mathematically perfect solution. The difference lies not in skill, but in mindset, learning how to see the big picture before getting lost in the details. Many entry-level engineers struggle because they try to perfect every line of a drawing before understanding why that drawing exists. The early years are about learning to balance precision with purpose, to know when to analyze deeply and when to move forward efficiently. This balance is what transforms technical ability into true engineering value. It's not about producing the most complex design, but about creating something that works, that can be built, and that serves its purpose effectively. That shift from ideal to practical is often the first big step toward maturity in engineering thinking. Another reason young engineers find the beginning difficult is communication. Many believe that getting the numbers right means the job is done. But most project issues stem not from wrong equations, but from miscommunication, unclear notes, missing information, or misunderstood intentions. Learning to communicate effectively with teammates, clients, and supervisors is just as critical as understanding stormwater calculations or grading plans. Clear writing, thoughtful questions, and concise explanations are the invisible foundations of every successful project. Communication is the bridge between knowledge and action, and mastering it is what turns isolated effort into collective success. AXA Engineers understands these early struggles because the company has mentored many young professionals through this exact journey. The learning process inside AXA Engineers emphasizes not only technical excellence, but also the soft skills that make collaboration smoother and projects more consistent. Through structured development programs, engineers are guided to think critically, communicate confidently, and take ownership of their work. This holistic approach helps new engineers grow faster and contribute meaningfully to international design projects. Beyond skills and communication, there is another challenge: pressure. Every new civil engineer faces tight deadlines, multiple revisions, and feedback that can sometimes feel harsh. But this pressure is not meant to break them. It is what builds resilience and precision. The best engineers are not those who never make mistakes, but those who learn quickly from them. Each correction and each revision is a lesson in judgment, efficiency, and accountability. Over time, those lessons form the backbone of professional confidence, the kind that no classroom can teach. AXA Engineers encourages this growth mindset by creating an environment where engineers are supported to learn and improve continuously. The philosophy of high performance and happiness ensures that technical challenges come with mentorship, feedback, and encouragement. It is an approach that transforms early struggles into opportunities for growth, helping engineers turn frustration into mastery. Every senior engineer was once a beginner. The difference between those who succeed and those who give up lies in how they respond to challenges. Patience, curiosity, and communication build the foundation for a long and fulfilling career. The first few years are not about being perfect. They're about learning how to think like an engineer, how to work with others, and how to stay calm when things go wrong. Those who persist through the early struggles emerge with more than just experience. They gain the confidence to design, lead, and make an impact that lasts. What lesson did your first project teach you that no textbook ever could? Let's share it, because every engineer's story can guide the next.